नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज़ JVN डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा, प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गन ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड होम्योपैथिक फिलोसॉफी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर। आई वेलकम all of you in today practical session of case taking, how to take case, how to write down the complaint of the patient, and some guideline to the physician while taking the case. In today's session, we will discuss aphorism 86, in which Dr. Hiniman says, when the narrator have finished. In last lecture, we discussed uh, about how to write down the complaint of the patient and keep proper distance while writing down the symptoms. And physician should not interrupt while patient says something about his complaints. When the narrators have finished what they would say of their own accord, the physician then reverts to each particular symptom and elicits more precise information respecting it in the following manner. Means, while patient and attendant of the patient completed his complaint, and physician also write down in the same expression of the patient the every minute detail of the patient, then physician should revert each particular complaint of the patient from beginning to end. What he had said, everything, physician should revert every complaint and elicits more precise information respecting it in the following manner. He reads over the symptoms as they were related to him one by one. Every complaint, physician should again revert every complaint of the patient in the same manner, and about each of them he inquires for further particulars. Example, at what period of did this symptom occur? The benefit of this homework is to complete the every symptom of the patient, such as at what period did this symptom occur. ये symptom कब होता है ये तुम्हें. Was it previous to taking the medicine he had hitherto been using while taking the medicine, or only some days after leaving off the medicine? What kind of pain, what sensation exactly was it that occurred on this spot? Where was the precise spot? Did the pain occur in fits and by itself at various times, or was it continued without intermission? How long did it last? At what time of the day or night? And in what position of the body? Was it worst or ceased entirely? What was the exact nature of this or that event or circumstance mentioned, described in plain words? So, here the main concern is to complete the every complaint of the patient, like the pain. In which part exactly pain occur? What exactly the sensation of the pain? Modalities part, aggravation and amelioration, everything, every symptom should be completed from the physician by asking more further questions to complete the symptoms. This session powered by digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.